Folks, we don't need to tell you how that tastes. You know what I'm saying? That's when you're ready.
Lesson learned.
We ain't catching turtles, but
I found this turtle.
Another one of these Panera bread ones. Are we down to just this one? We gotta get some more before it goes.
hey, we already got 3 of them.
Well, we already, this bag's almost empty. Did I put another one over there somewhere?
I mean, we bought 2 at one time, then you bought another.
Yeah.
Mom, look, this one.
Oh, okay, Sissy found it. Okay.
A heart of relief. I'm gonna tell you something.
Very good. I was like, have we already went through 2 bags of coffee that quick?
Let me show you how to get moths off your window. Make your wings.
Some oatmeal this morning. It's going to be a peanut butter oatmeal, and I'm going to slice up some bananas, and I have some dark chocolate that I think I just have a dark chocolate bar. I thought I might have had some dark chocolate chips up here, even if I have semi-sweet or milk chocolate, but I don't think I have any. I have a dark chocolate bar that we use for our Java chip ice cream. I'm just going to shave a little bit of that up to sprinkle on top with the banana. We also have nuts. We have walnuts and almonds. Okay, we're going to start with 2 cups of old-fashioned oats. We need 2 cups of milk. And 1 cup of water. And we'll turn that on to medium. Grab our coffee. Just a pinch of salt in here. And I'm gonna go grab the peanut butter. Okay, I also need a little maple syrup. I'm gonna wait until that starts to steam really good before we add in the peanut butter and the syrup. And I'm gonna fill up my little chicken jar here with these almonds. Okay, we're putting a couple tablespoons of maple syrup and a 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Now we'll just put a little bit of chocolate. I got this tiny little grater. I'm pretty sure I got this from Nora Meal Granary. So I thought I would show y'all the quilt that we found at the antique / thrift store the other day for $15. Y'all remember we were super excited about it? This is it. It plainly said on the tag that it was king size. So I like to get a king size. The bed is just queen, but I like to get a king size comforter just because I like for the comforter to go all the way down on both sides of the bed. So I was very excited about it. We came home. I don't think I washed it that day that we got it. I think I just put it in the laundry room and then washed it the next morning, if I remember right. Anyway, I washed it. I was so excited to switch out because I still had my Christmas one on here, and so I came in here and I was all excited about putting this one on the bed, and then I realized it's not a king. You see this? I don't even think it's queen because the bed is queen and it doesn't even fit the bed. This is like full size. Went ahead and put it on there, but yeah, we'll find a different one. Sissy was in here with me whenever I put it on the bed, and I was like, are you serious? And she was laughing because I tried it the other way. I was like, maybe I can do it the other way, but no, it was worse then. It didn't even go from the top to the bottom of the bed. Lesson learned: if you find a nice quilt at a thrift store, request to take it out of the bag and make sure it is the size that it says it is on the tag, because sometimes it's not. I've created a monster with the granola bars, y'all.
I love that thing.
This is gonna be his third batch of them. Tonight's kind of a find what you want. Some of us want breakfast, so we're making some hash browns, bacon, and eggs. Tyler's making Hot Pockets.
Excuse me, y'all. I gotta pick you up just a second so I can get the salt. I got done with horses just before the rain come in, it seems like.
Tyler, your Hot Pockets are ready. I'm getting the bacon started in the oven first, then I'll start the hash browns, because that's, you know, hash browns take a minute. Well, actually longer than a minute, but y'all know what I'm saying. He's adding pumpkin seeds this time, y'all. Oh, okay, a lot of pumpkin seeds, okay.
Them things are good. I'm telling y'all something. Y'all, you don't know what you're missing here.
Okay, what's the next one?
I can't get it. What is it? Oh, okay.
I want to grab the pan. I want to pat it a few times.
Uh-oh.
This is not going to go according to plan, folks. Oh my goodness. You know what you do when that happens? You just mash it back together. See how I did that? And you just mash it back together, because I promise you, once you slide that bad boy out of that pan right there on a plate, ain't nobody gonna know that I didn't flip it right.
No.
Looks like we got about 4 minutes and 53 seconds left right here before the granola bars and our bacon.
Nope, bacon's done.
Bacon's done now, folks. We're bringing it out. Here, Mama, don't worry about it another minute. I got this towel, baby. Don't worry. I'm gonna get down
Here
here.
we go. I found one.
Hope I don't bust my jeans. Y'all catching live action right here. We ain't catching turtles, but y'all getting live action right here. We are going to do loaded on you tonight. We got some sharp cheddar, tomatoes, peppers, and onions. I believe we're getting there right here, Mama.
Yeah, that one's ready. I'm just gonna get it out.
We're gonna take these off right here, everybody. You go, girl. I think the thick ones are the best ones.
The key to the hash brown deal is, like, right now, it feels like they're ready. The first time you feel like they're ready to flip, they're not ready.
They're not ready yet.
You let them cook a couple more minutes, and then they'll be really ready to flip.
It's just like jumping off of a bungee deal. The first time you feel like you're ready to go, you're not ready yet.
No.
You're not ready. That's when you'll step up and you'll be like, you're not ready. You're ready when your buddy comes up behind you and kicks you in the, I almost kicked your buddy comes up behind you and kicks you in the bootay and sends you off there. You know what I'm saying? That's when you're ready. There's my eggs. I do not like this spatula. I'm gonna say it and say it and say it until we do not have any more like this. I do not like this spatula. You gotta wrestle that egg. I like them old ones. This one right here. This one will flip an egg. It will scratch your pan, but it will flip an egg. These kind don't flip good right here, everybody. These do. We knew what we were doing in the old days. We were scratching pans, but we was flipping eggs. Back in the old days, we used to hear you cooking.
Yeah.
Nice. Everybody wants, it's almost like in coffee houses, like, Somebody like me be like, man, that was good, bud. That's a good fiddle player. That was a violin. Oh, okay.
They don't play music in there. They read like poetry and stuff.
Oh, they don't?
Yeah, it's like poetry.
Well, I will never go to one of those. I thought they was sawing fiddles. I couldn't figure out why they was snapping fingers if they was playing music in there. I was like,
it's a read alouds.
I need a plate loud.
But bust the yolk and fry it, cooked all the way through.
Oh, I got you.
Hey, Sissy, ask Jonah what kind of egg he wants, if he wants an egg.
I got this. I mean, you tell me how you want your eggs and I will cook them. You won't even hear me do it. Did I do 4? I need 5, don't I? The key to it all, folks, is just having fun. The way I became a professional chef is I just started having fun. And here I am. They want me all over TV now. It's like, folks, I ain't going. You know, I'm simple. I clap, I don't snap. Here's Jonas. That's why he wants his. That's the way I'd eat mine too, probably. I eat mine over medium. This is the way I do mine. They're still runny on the inside. I'm thinking of putting me some onions in. I'm gonna do me like a little casserole right here.
Pepper? Oh, in that cabinet. You can have pepper there.
Sure I can, baby. Pepper. You're welcome. Folks, we don't need to tell you how that tastes. We all know that that's going to be really good. Jonah's fixing to have the time of his life.
I found this turtle. Mama, what do you think I should name my turtle?
Come here, Daisy.
Don't name it Franklin.
Come here, Daisy.
What about Henry?
I'd name him Slowpoke.
Okay, because turtles are slow.
We'll let him be free in the backyard. How about that?
I found this guy all the way over there to that tree.
Well, you saved him. But he could have gotten in the road.